Hi guys. Let's start with Yougov. Yougov is a polling site. Your opinion earns you over $50 per month on Yougov. You can earn more if you invite other registrants by affiliation. How to take advantage of it to the max of Yougov. First, register. Either you use your email with a password or by connecting via Facebook. You will receive an email with your confirmation link. Complete your data correctly to avoid having a problem when paying your rewards. When you save your data, Yougov offers you 50 welcome points from the site. Each time you complete a survey, you will have 50 points. Invite friends by your affiliate link, because for each guest who completes his 6 surveys you will have 200 additional points in your account. When you collect 5,000 points, you will get $50 and you can earn more if your referral link brings in more people. Proof of payment you may receive on your Yougov account. Join Yougov now and enjoy. That's all for today. See you in another video.